You're here, where you should be. Snow is falling as the carols sing. It just wasn't the same. Alone on Christmas Day. Presents, what a beautiful sight. Don't mean a thing if you're holding me tight. You're all that I need. Underneath the tree tonight. I'm gonna hold you close. Make sure that you know I was lost before you. Christmas was cold and gray. Another holiday alone to celebrate. But then one day everything changed. All I need, underneath the tree, you're here, where you should be. Snow is falling as the carols sing. It just wasn't the same. Alone on Christmas Day. Presents, what a beautiful sight. Don't mean a thing if you're holding me tight. You're all that I need. Underneath the tree, I found what I was looking for. A love that's meant for me, a heart that's mine completely. Knock me right on my feet, and this year I will fall with no worries at all. 'Cause you are near, and everything's clear. You're all I need. Underneath the tree, you're here, where you should be. Snow is falling as the carols sing. It just wasn't the same. Alone on Christmas Day. Presents, what a beautiful sight. Don't mean a thing if you're holding me tight. You're all that I need. Underneath the tree tonight. And then one day, and everything changed. All I need, underneath the tree, you're here, where you should be. Snow is falling as the carols sing. It just wasn't the same. Alone on Christmas Day. Presents, what a beautiful sight. Don't mean a thing if you're holding me tight. You're all that I need. Underneath the tree tonight. You're all that I need. Underneath the tree tonight. Ooh, you're all that I need. Underneath the tree tonight. And you're all that I need. Underneath the tree tonight.
Yeah, she already make us feel the Christmas vibes kanina. Kaya ngayon ay makipagtsikahan naman tayo sa kanya.
Live here in RSP stage, Miss Melody Osteo. Good morning, Ma'am Melody.
Good morning po.
Hi, Melody. Ang taas ng boses ni Melody. Throwback muna tayo, Melody. Ilang taong ka ba nung nagsimula ka sa pagkanta?
Since grade 2 po.
Wow, grade 2. Sumasali ka na sa mga singing competition, no?
Yes po.
Ano yung unang-unang song piece na kinanta mo sa competition?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po, One Moment in Time.
Ay, pang mataasan.
Oh.
Yun.
Grade 2 pa lang.
Biritan din,
Grade 2 pa lang.
Biritan.
One moment in
Pero
time.
kaya ni Dayan yan eh.
Hindi, ang unang contest piece ko, Hero by Mariah.
Nagmamaraya.
Back to Melody. Go.
Okay. So, Miss Melody, baka pwede mong i-share sa amin, ano ba yung mga paborito mong piece or yung paborito mong mga kinakanta?
Siguro po yung Hanggang by Wency Cornejo. Yun po, kasi since sa lahat po ng mga competitions ko po, yun po yung napapanalo ko po na song. So,
May areglo kasi pag yung kantang yan eh. Kasi dati sumasali ako sa mga amateur singing contest. Pag may mga ganyan ng kanta, ay wala, talo na ako. Kasi may areglo yan, talagang tataasan yung tono. Tapos, eto lang yung dapat ibirit, aabutin pa hanggang doon sa may
So,
stratosphere.
yan pala yung pang-competition na
Oo,
kanta.
ganyan, oo.
Pero pag si Miss Melody yung kumanta,
Ano?
pasok.
Tapos na, tapos na.
Pero, Miss Melody, maaari ka bang magbahagi ng anumang memorable or funny moments na naranasan mo bilang isang singer?
siguro po, memorable siya kasi namatay yung mom ko nung time na yon. And then, iniwan namin siya, yung buong family ko sumama din sa, kasi it was in Baguio. So, lahat sila nagpunta ng Baguio, tas may mga konting naiwan na lang sa wake niya, and then nanalo ako as a champion. So everybody was crying, ganyan. So lahat ng mga relatives ko, parang sinasabi nila, oh, your mom is here, that is for you, that is for your mom, that is for your mom. So
Parang the show must go on kahit
Yes, the show must
meron
go
kang dinadala sa dibdib mo.
Yes, napakagandang story at marami tayong mga inspire. So, Miss Melody, anong payos tingin mo ang may bibigay mo sa mga aspiring singers na nangangarap na makapasok sa industriya ng pagkanta?
siguro po, just keep on trying. Trying lang ng try lang. Kahit matalo ka, ayan. So hanggang sa ma-reach mo siguro yung goal mo, hanggang sa maging successful ka, maging yung fulfillment sa sarili mo na eto na yon. Yan lang po.
Upcoming projects or collaborations ka ba na pwede naming abangan at saan ka namin pwedeng i-follow?
I actually don't have my own page, but I have my official Facebook account, Melody Osoteo. Just follow lang po. Ayan, so nandun po yung mga gigs ko. I have regular gigs, Music Box Wednesdays and Saturdays. And yung mga events po ngayon, so abangan nyo na lang po doon.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa makipagkwentuhan sa amin, Miss Melody Osoteo, at sa inyong pag-share ng kanyang singing journey.
Oo, pero wait, there's more ha. Dahil marinig muli natin ang kanyang awitin. Pero bago lahat ng yan, Dayan?
May batiin lang natin ang happy birthday si
Yeah,
Ate
my
Lorraine.
cousin, Lorraine de los Santos.
Happy birthday.
Ate.
Happy birthday,
So
Lorraine.
much.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating Thursday morning. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong umaga.
Thanks for letting me, greet her. Nakalimutan ko na, pero it's a wrap, mga ka-RSP. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Thursday kulitan.
Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang banding natin ngayong linggo dahil marami pa kaming ihahanda para sa inyo this Friday. Abangan niyo po yan.
Okay, have a wonderful Thursday mga ka-RSP at magkita-kita po muli tayo bukas. Dito lamang sa Pambansang Morning Show ng Bayan. Ito ang
Rise and Shine, Pilipinas!
Kaya dami nang nagbago sa buhay. Mula nang tayo nagmahalan, puso ko'y natutong tumibok sa isang kumpas, hanggang isang pintigan lamang ang marinig mula sa dingding. Ngunit paraiso na ating narating ngayon'y naglalaho tulad ng isang bituin. Habang ikaw ay narito sa dibdib, paglalaban kong ating pag-ibig sa lahat ng paghihirap at pasakit. Ako'y handang magtiis hanggat di kita lubos ang Sa lahat ng paghihirap at pasakit, ako'y handang magtiis hanggat di kita lubusang maintindihan. Aminin ko ang pagkukulang hanggang kailan kita mamahalin. Tanong ng puso ngayon,